Greetings everyone. I hope you're all doing well and you're having a great week. So today I decided to do a midweek review just to show on which pairs that we'll be focusing on for the remaining of the week. So I'm gonna start off with Australian dollar vs Canadian dollar. So on daily I'll be focusing on an overall trend and what it's forming here. So as you can see here, you have this push and then some pullback or corrective move, and then you have another push to the downside. So what I'm expecting here is, so as you can see, you have an impulsive move now, corrective move. So I'm waiting to see if we can get some potentially a continuation move. So something like this, as you can see, possible. So when you go to the lower time frame, as you can see here, my outer structure, or as you can see, we have this point here, 1, 2, and 3, and then this structure as well, as you can see, point 1, point 2, and point 3. So overall, what I'm looking for here, what I'm looking for here is to see if price is gonna push all the way to this area, just to see if maybe we can react here to form a double top, then see if you can get some opportunities to the downside, or maybe price gonna push all the way to these areas, then see if we get some confirmation, then see if you can take it to the downside like this. So that is all I'll be looking for in this pair. And also there is a possibility that price might also gonna go push to the outside, but if we get that, then we'll see if we can get some confirmation that there's a change of trend, then pushing to the upside, of which will be a structure that will be forming here, something. And the next one will be British pound Canadian dollar. Excuse me. So I'm gonna start off on daily as well, just to determine the trend. As you can see here, I have a bigger structure, which is my outer structure, and this inner structure, which is this one and this one. So overall, as you can see, we have a nice push to the downside, and then we form this corrective move, and then this continuation move, of which is an impulsive move. So now what I'm looking for, to see when a price we can get some continuation to the downside, if so. So I'll be waiting for more confirmation here, and then see if we can take it to the downside. And there is also a possibility that price can continue push to the upside all the way to these areas, or all the way to these areas, but we'll see if we do get maybe some message from the market, then we take it from there. So let's move on to the lower time frame. As you can see here, we have this point A, point B, point C, of which is 1, 2, 3, and having this small structure that is forming here, of which it can be something like this, impulsive move, and then a corrective structure like this, and then a continue push to the upside, like I said, or something like this, as you can see, and then a push, and then form something like this, and then this will be allowed to play. So I'm more patient with this one, so I want to see more confirmation, to see I'm waiting for more confirmation just to see that, to get the message that from the market that now there's some opportunities that are shown. Then I'll take it to the downside and be targeting these areas or these lows here. Will remain to be seen. Excuse me. And my next pair it's New Zealand dollar vs US dollar. So this one is looking nicely for me, as you can see with clean structure here from daily. Starting from here, you can see you have an impulsive move and then a larger correction, and then we have another move to the downside, and then it broke this low, which was a complete 90% roll. So now what is happening is, you can see with this move, and then now price starting to correct, of which it's forming a nice pattern or structure, of which it is more likely that we can be pushing to the downside. So on the lower time frame, I'm waiting to see how price gonna reach here. So let's see if we get some rejection here, and then see if we can get some confirmation to take it to the downside, of which will be allowed to play. So we just need to be more patient and see how market develop, then gonna take it from there. Oh, sorry about this one. So US dollar vs Japanese yen. So this one also it's shaping up nicely. You have a lovely push here from the past few days. So what I'm looking for here, as you can see, price was moving correctively here, and then now we have a nice push to the downside. So there's like 2 or 3 scenarios that I'm be looking for here. So it's either we form like a pattern here, which will be a nice push to the downside, or there is a possibility that price can form maybe a bigger structure similar to the one that I was explaining on New Zealand dollar vs US dollar. So something like this, a very nice push from here, and then all the way from here, and then take it to the downside. So just need more patience, and just need to be more patient and see how price develop, then take it from there. You can see here on one edge, so see whether we get some continuation pattern, then take it to the downside. But also I'm aware of this low here. So if price gonna continue move like this, then I'll wait to see how price gonna react from here. Then if we break here, that will be great. Then I'll see if we can get some continuation again to take it to the downside. And my oil card is only these two, of which it's euro vs Canadian dollar. So I'm just gonna go to daily here, and just to show you something. As you can see here, overall trend was still bearish. So we have this move, and then we had a pullback, and then continue breaking this low as well. So now price correcting or ranging here. So waiting to see whether it's gonna continue push all the way from here to form maybe mini double top, then it continue push all the way to the downside. So it remains to be seen. So I'm just tracking to see how price is gonna develop during the week. See if we do get some opportunities. But it will be a lovely play. It will be a lovely play to take it in these areas here. As you can see, like it will be forming like a M pattern style. As you can see, something like this, and then take it from here to the downside. And think the last one is New Zealand dollar vs Japanese yen. So this one is similar to New Zealand dollar vs US dollar as well. As you can see here, we have this corrective move, and then we have a nice push to the downside. So, and to reach this low here. So now, as you can see, we have this push. Now price is starting to form a bigger structure, which is a correction. So, and go to the lower time frame, we have this clear clean structure. We can say clean or clear structure that it's forming here, as you can see. So this most scenario is whether, as you can see, price moving correctively. So it might happen that we can move this way all the way to these areas here, something like this. Sorry, as you can see, of which will be 1, 2, 3, and then take it from here then to the downside. So just waiting to see how price is gonna develop during the week, as you can see. So we're moving nicely to the upside, and we are moving correctively. So that's it, guys. This is what I'll be looking for the remaining of the week. I hope you learn something from this, and planning to do more of these videos, and so that I'm gonna get used to it as well. And it's gonna be for Sunday breakdown, and also during the week. So yeah, there will be more video that will be coming. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.